What's up, Panda Parade? Kurraku Zero here, bringing you a new VR chat tutorial. If you missed the last video on getting Unity set up for Udon world building, you can check out that tutorial as well, as this is a start to finish series that we're going to keep building upon as we go. This video is the third video in my start to finish series on VR chat Udon world building. And in this video, I'll be showing you guys some resources like models and textures for your world. A little self-plug here before we get started. I have made a VR chat world called the Panda Den that we will be doing a roleplay in. If you're interested in getting in on that, join my Discord for more information. The link is in the description below. I also stream on Twitch over at twitch.tv/Kurraku0. The link is also in the description below. Drop me a follow over there. I stream on Saturday and Sundays, and I like to chat with viewers, and it's a fun time for everyone. The first resource I'm going to show you here we've already looked at in the previous video, but just in case you didn't see that, or maybe you just need a refresher, this is ambientcg.com. The link is in the description below. Here you can find all sorts of textures ranging from wood to grass to brick, anything you can think of. All you have to do is click on the texture you want and then click on the download button there. Now, what if you want to use these textures in Unity? Well, there is a little something that you will have to do to it first. So I'm going to show you step by step on what you need to do. So first, let's just take these bricks for example, because I know this is one that we have in our Unity example. Alright, before we even get into Unity, there is one thing that I forgot to mention. When you download these textures, you will get a roughness map. However, with Unity, we use a smoothness map. So all you have to do is invert the colors. So here I have my GNU image manipulation program, aka GIMP. You can find this program for free. I'll provide a link in the description as well in case you need to know where to get it. So let me just go over here and drag my roughness into GIMP. So this is the roughness. All you have to do in any program that you would like to use is invert the colors. So we just hit invert here and boom, and we'll export this as smoothness instead of roughness, so we know that's what we need. Alright, so got that exported. Now let's head over into Unity and see what we got going on here. Alright, here we are in Unity, and you can see I got the model pulled up here that we made. And what I'm going to do is just going to right click, and I'm going to create a folder because I like to keep things organized. I'm just going to call this textures and open that up there, and then drag in the bricks that we just edited. The whole folder, all the files, and if you save your smoothness in there as well, you'll have them all here, and there they are. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click, you're going to go to create, and then do material, and we're just going to call this brick. Alright, so what you have to do is you have to find your albedo, which is normally going to be your base color. So that's our color here. You also have the metallic or smoothness. Now, if it's a metal, you can use the metallic. If not, use the smoothness. So this is the smoothness we made. This is the roughness. I'm just going to go ahead and press delete on that, and it's going to say, do you really want to delete it? You hit yes. So that way we're not confused at all. This is a displacement, and this is an occlusion. So we're going to go ahead and drag this to albedo. This is our normal map, so we're going to drag that here, and you can see it's not marked as normal, so you would just click fix now, and that's fixed. And if you ever forget which any of them are, you can always click on them. So that's smoothness. It tells you down here at the bottom what the name of them are. So we're going to drag this into our metallic because it gets the smoothest from the metallic alpha. This was our occlusion, so we're just going to pull that over here. And last but not least, our displacement, and we're going to pull that onto height map. Now with all of those things on there, this material is ready. So we just drag that here, and voila, there is our brick texture. It's on that wall here, and you would just do that to all of them. And that's how you create a material in Unity for when you have textures and you want to make your own material for these textures. Alright, so let's talk about the next thing, where to find models, because see, we have this beautiful model here of our home. It's just kind of blank on the inside. I guess we can go ahead, later I'll make some the same material, and I'll put some materials here and there. But we're going to want some furniture inside here, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find some furniture. Now there are a few places where you can find furniture, and let me show you those right now. First place that I like to use is Sketchfab. So say you are looking for a couch. So you would just type in couch in the search engine, and there you go. We have couches. Now, some of these are free, some of these you have to pay for. And some of these aren't even downloadable objects. So what you would want to do when you go to sketchfab.com, I'll have the link in the description, and you search for the thing you're looking for, just click on downloadable. And this is everything that's going to be downloadable. And if you just see this icon here where it says download 3D model, that means that this is free in some shape or fashion. We'll get into that a little bit later. This one has a cash symbol, so that means it's available in the store and you'll have to pay for it. Let's just look at this example right here. Now, normally the things that Unity likes to use are blend files that you can just throw into Blender and turn them into FBXs. So you can use those. You can use FBX, just straight up, or OBJs. So if we click download 3D model, it's going to ask me to log in, so just bear with me a moment. Alright, so when you click download and you go ahead and log in, you'll see that this is an FBX. So this already is ready to be put into Unity. So you just click the download, unpack it, and then throw that FBX into Unity. And we'll talk about that a little more later. Today, I just want to show you where you can find these assets. So there's that resource, but there is another one that I would like to show you as well. So this is the Unity Asset Store, and a link will be in the description for this as well. So on the Unity Asset Store, you can find a bunch of things. So let's try furniture. Alright, and you see here, just like the other websites, some of them are free, some of them are not. Like this is $25, but this one will allow you to filter by pricing. So if we click on free assets, there we go. These are all free assets on the Unity store. And the cool thing about the Unity store is that you can access the Unity store right here in Unity. So if you see up here where it says Scene, Game, and Asset Store, you just click on Asset Store and it connects you to your Asset Store. And actually, for this test model, this is where I'm going to be getting our furniture from. So I already have the model from my account in here, so I'm going to go ahead and download that. Let me see. It is called Toon Furniture, and it has a variety of different packs in there. I'll leave a link to this particular pack in the description as well. And if you purchase anything else when you're on my link, I do get a small commission off of that because I am partnered with Unity's affiliate program. So we're just going to click on import. This box will pop up. This may be familiar to you from the last video, and you'll just click on import. Give it a little moment, and here any minute now we'll have that in here. Alright, so we have our furniture right here. So let's go ahead and open it up. If you click on the prefabs tab, here it is, all of the prefabs that we have in here. And with the prefabs, all you'd have to do is find the one you want. Let's find a couch. Because we definitely want a couch in here. Like this couch is nice, so I'll put this couch in here. And voila, there you go. You now have a couch in your scene. So it's pretty simple. You just drag the assets that you want in here. And if it is not a prefab that has a texture on it, you would texturize it. Most of them that you download will have textures with it. So you can just make the materials like we did earlier and add those materials onto the object themselves. Sometimes it's kind of funny with the placements and where they go, but yeah, that's pretty much all you would do. So that's it for this tutorial. We went ahead and showed you guys how to find some assets for your world. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe for more because there's going to be way more in this series. We're going to start building this world from start to finish. We're just doing a little prep work here in the beginning, and hit that bell notification so you know when my videos go live, and then that way you can build your world with me from start to finish. I'm Kurraku0, and I'll see you next time. Bye!